Okay, here's the deal. For those that are not following me on social media or they haven't subscribed to my newsletter, which is right here, go and subscribe. 14,000 people have already subscribed. I've been building a portfolio tracker, portfolio optimizer for almost 3 months now, and it's been great, and sometimes it's not great. The thing is that all this time I'm in private alpha. I've invited tons of users to go through the app, and there was one major issue. The issue that most entrepreneurs do, and I shouldn't have done it because I'm a veteran entrepreneur, like sold startups, built tons of products. How they did this mistake? I should have figured out that something is wrong when all of a sudden I have two customer personas. A customer persona is a customer that you try to identify their persona, their characteristics, and they are highly likely to use your product. For example, a customer persona for an ice cream stand is a kid, a toddler, it's not an athlete. Yes, sometimes athletes will eat ice cream, but in general you shouldn't target athletes to sell like super fatty ice cream. So your customer persona is super important. The mistake I did is having two customer personas, very well defined, but that makes everything super complicated. From marketing, customer acquisition, retaining customers, and building product. In my mind, which is also a phrase that an entrepreneur should never say, I had the persona of somebody that is building portfolios, building, you get some very interesting characteristics, and you can optimize the portfolio that you will build and you will start using. And the second persona is somebody that is tracking the portfolio. The workflow was you build a portfolio, or somebody gives you a pre-built portfolio, you check the characteristics, and then you keep tracking this portfolio. During all my user tests, I saw that a lot of users were building their own portfolios, yay, it's so much fun, and then they had the issue how this translates to tracking, and vice versa. People that were tracking the portfolios, they were trying to build it, rebuild it, so it was an issue. The feature where you can build an experiment with portfolios is going to be removed from the product, 100%, from the messaging, from everything, and later on I will reuse that part as a mini app in order to funnel more users there. Both products work, but I prefer focusing on one part. So that's how I managed to throw down the trash, down the bin, I don't know how it's called. How I managed to waste almost a month of work, which is not 100% waste, but in terms of releasing a product super fast, I lost a month. There you have it. If you're hearing this and you're an entrepreneur that seems to have more than one very well-defined persona, stop, think about the stupid things that I did, think about this video, and don't do it. See you in the next video, I assume. Okay, see you.